Hello friends, in today's video I'll be talking about Tamil Nadu Public Service Commission's vacancies. The application of this are invited only by online mode from eligible candidates. For registration there is a one-time registration fee of rupees 150. For further information please watch video till end. They have announced vacancies for Junior Draughting Officer in Highways Department, Junior Draughting Officer in Public Work Department, Junior Technical Assistant in Handlooms and Textile Department, and Junior Engineer in Fisheries Department. There are total of, you can see there are the number of vacancies. In the first category there are 177 plus 6 from previous year's vacancy. For second category there are 348, and for third category there is only one, and for the fourth category there are 5 jobs, 5 vacancies. The pay scale for first three will be 35,400 to 1,12,400, that is level 11. And for the fourth category, that this is 35,900 to 1 lakh rupees 13,500, that is level 13 pay grade. Okay. So the important dates are, the notification was announced on 5th March. The last date for submission of online application is 4th April. The first written exam will be the subject paper that will be held on 6th June 2021, and the second paper will be on the same day, that is on 6th June 21. The timings for the first paper will be 10 am to 1 pm, and for the second paper these will be 3 pm to 5 pm. Okay. The registration fee. For registration there is rupees 150 rupees fee for registration. That will be applicants who have made one-time registration fee. This will be available for 5 years. Registration fee for a period of 5 years from the date of registration, and it will not be considered as prescribed examination fee for this recruitment. So they have to pay extra 100 rupees as examination fee. There is examination fee concessions, as you can see on the screen. The mode of payment of examination fee should be online. The offline payment in form of demand draft, postal order, etc. will not be accepted, and the application forwarded with such modes of payments will be summarily rejected. The maximum age will be 30. Relaxation is given to the candidates belonging to the reservation category. If we talk about educational qualification, for first category, that is Junior Draughting Officer, a diploma in civil engineering or its equivalent, means there are eligible diploma and degree, but preference shall be given if 1 year apprenticeship training under the Government of India scheme or state government apprenticeship scheme. Similarly, for the second category, Junior Draughting Officer in Public Work Department, diploma and engineering student both are allowed, but preference will be given to the candidates who have apprenticeship of 1 year. Third category is not in our syllabus. For the fourth category, must possesses a diploma. This is for diploma holders. For complete information, you can read the notification. You'll be needing a certificate of physical fitness, one those who are applying for the job or notification should have a good knowledge in Tamil. If we talk about the examination, there will be two papers. For paper 1 will be subject paper. These will be the subjects, and the time duration of the paper will be 3 hours. Will consist of 300 marks. And the second paper will be general studies, that will there will be 75 questions, and 25 questions will be, there will be total of 100 questions in second paper, and the time for the second paper will be 2 hours, and the marks consist of 200 marks. Okay, the center for examinations will be these. You can see on the screen: Chennai, Madurai, and so many. Okay, that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. For such updates and information about exams and study material, please do follow us on YouTube as well as on Telegram. The link of our Telegram group is given in the description box below. Thank you.